Well, hello there, my friends. I went to the record store locally and I got Amon Amarth's new album, The GreaT HeatheN ArmY. Anyway, my friends, it's going to be like a small unboxing today. I just want to check it out. But anyway, this is cooler. I have a t-shirt on from Heimdall Strikes Europe tour in 2013. And it shows Heimdall in his cock. Right there. It actually has a name because it's a rooster, and it caws when it is Ragnarok, my friends. And he has a name, and it is Gullinkambi. There's two other cocks, so that would make three cocks altogether that crow or whatever. They do their bird noises once Ragnarok comes, and then Heimdall will sound his gala horn as well. Anyway, I love this shirt, my friends. It's really fucking cool. Heimdall is fucking awesome. He's on the Rainbow Bridge. He's got his chicken there. His rooster, I'm sorry. It just looks really fucking rad. He's got the gala horn. One of my favorite fucking Amon Amarth t-shirts. And I saw them in 2013 in Weisbaden in Germany. Anyway, without further ado, or any more speaking of cocks, we have the GreaT HeatheN ArmY, my friends, which the album itself is fucking rad. It's definitely fucking Amon Amarth, and it's fucking metal as fuck and man metal. Lots of cool fucking lyrics and just brutality on it. There's not much theatrics or special things this time. It's just straight to the point and fucking gut-wrenching fucking metal. Anyway, try not to knock over my phone. You'll use the claw, my friends. Just a tad. This is supposed to be the blue smoke version of this record. So let's open her up. See how fucking rad it is. Anyway, my friends, the song that's on right now is the GreaT HeatheN ArmY, the title track. Alright. It has the band on the front, in gear. It has all of the songs on the back, which are Get in the Ring. This is side A. The GreaT HeatheN ArmY. Heidrun. Odin owns you all. Find a way or make one. That is side A. And side B, Dawn of Norsemen, Saxons and Vikings. Skagul Rides With Me, which is my favorite track on the record. And The Serpent's Trail. Serpent's Trail is my second favorite. Now after that, it's hard to choose a third. It is probably the GreaT HeatheN ArmY. Now let's take a look inside, shall we? Fucking rad. It gets larger. The whole army is shown here. Let's take the stuff out first. And I'll show you the whole box. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Radness. And then on the other side, more heathens of the GreaT HeatheN ArmY, which is fucking rad as fuck. Anyway, let's take a look at the record itself. Happy with that so far? Came with a little, I don't know what this is. Oh, free digital download. It's pretty righteous. And it has the actual record. Yeah. And it has the lyrics right on it, which is fucking awesome. Now let's check out the record, my friends. I'm excited about this. I got it from a local store as well. Very excited. Oh, it looks very cool. This is Blue Smoke. Oh yeah. my friends. Anyway, my friends, I'm pretty happy with this. The record itself, I love it. It's a great Amon Amarth record. As far as songs go, Skagul Rides With Me is my favorite. And my least favorite is probably Saxons and Vikings, just because I don't really care about Saxon the band, and I don't give a fuck about Saxons. I want a fucking album that's only about Vikings, and I know they're the enemies. But it kind of takes away from the record. It's not like the song that was with Doro,